The Ford Puma carves its own unique path in the competitive compact crossover segment. It's a vehicle that prioritizes style and practicality, offering a compelling blend of head-turning design, user-friendly technology, and surprisingly engaging driving dynamics. A feast for the eyes, asterisk. The Puma's exterior is undeniably striking. Its sculpted lines, bold front grille, and distinctive stinger rear window create a visual impact that sets it apart from the crowd. The interior, while not as luxurious as some rivals, boasts a modern and well-executed design with high-quality materials and intuitive controls. Technology that impresses, asterisk. Ford's SYNC4 infotainment system takes center stage, offering a responsive touchscreen interface with crisp graphics and seamless smartphone integration. The available 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster further enhances the tech-forward feel, providing drivers with a customizable and informative display. Driving dynamics that delight, asterisk. Despite its crossover stature, the Puma retains a surprising level of agility and driving enjoyment. The available EcoBoost engines, paired with a smooth shifting transmission, deliver a peppy performance while maintaining impressive fuel economy. The well-tuned suspension provides a comfortable ride while maintaining good body control in corners. Practicality meets personality, asterisk. The Puma's practicality shines through with its clever storage solutions, including a unique megabox under the cargo floor. While rear passenger space might be slightly snug for taller individuals, the overall practicality and versatility of the Puma make it a strong contender in its class. A word of caution, asterisk. While the Puma offers a compelling package, some may find the pricing a bit on the higher side compared to some of its more conventionally styled rivals.